let me just say this. You are not alone in feeling overwhelmed. It can get overwhelming. I am no astrologist, okay? But right now, the United States is going through its Pluto return, meaning Pluto is in the exact position that it was when the United States was founded. So, Pluto is a planet that's associated with death, rebirth, transformation, all of those things, destruction, all of those things, which at first glance sounds bad, but it can bring about something new, right? When one thing is destroyed, it can bring about the birth of something new. That's what's going on in the United States right now. And we see that with a lot of people talking about the historical injustices that, Black, Indigenous, and, people of color have experienced. We see that with a lot of the things going on in politics. We see that with a lot of the things being revealed about certain celebrities. We see that with a lot of abuse and things like that just being outed on a mass scale. Things that, like I said in my last video, were allowed to happen. We're going to see a change. Because also, right now, Mars is opposite Pluto. We're in the Mars opposite Pluto transit. So Mars is known for what? War. And I just told you guys what Pluto is known for. So that actually starts tomorrow, November 19th. And we're going to be in that transit for 6 months. So a lot of change is going to occur, particularly changes with society. So like I mentioned, the historical injustices. We also see in America a lot of people waking up. What did RFK say? They were going to take the chemicals out of the water. So we're going to be seeing a lot of changes. I have faith that the changes that we're going to be witnessing are going to be for the better. But obviously, when change comes about, it's going to rock some things up. And so this is why I believe a lot of people are experiencing intense emotions. So all we can do is just really try to stay grounded, have an open mind, keep an open heart, but maintain boundaries at the same time. Don't allow anybody to take advantage of you. But again, with that Pluto aspect, we are going to see a lot of colors about people being revealed, not just celebrities, not just politicians, but a lot of people. So a lot of masks are going to come off if they haven't already. And we just need to brace ourselves. We just need to operate from a place of love, understanding, be patient and calm with each other if we want to successfully make it through this. I think the Pluto return is going to be for 19 years. I can't remember exactly, but feel free to go look it up yourself. But it's basically going to be a lot of things are going to get rocky. There's going to be a lot of changes, but it has to happen, So just, again, meditate, drink some chamomile tea, ashwagandha, take your Damiana, just try to maintain calmness. Don't get too stressed out over stuff because emotions are already going to be running high, and it's just a lot of tension right now, and it's going to be like that. And those who are not in alignment and those who don't understand or try to understand these things, those who just don't operate on that frequency are going to be the ones that are extremely vulnerable to the energy. So it's a lot going on spiritually right now too. So we just need to make sure that we are as balanced as we can be right now.